previous video we have just finished the chapter number 5, and here our first term course has been finished. Okay students, so I am just making this video for the revision purpose. So but first of all, in your the syllabus, in who has come to the parent teacher meeting, there is a paper given over here, cancelled topics. So what is that? First of all, a guideline by the government has been given by all the schools and everywhere that this topic are cancelled in this year. So in that, first of all, we will talk about lesson number 1. So in the lesson number 1, which topics are cancelled, student? First of all, they have cancelled the example number 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 and 12. But before I just start this video, pause your video over here and take your syllabus, okay? And see here, there is a page given over here after the syllabus page, means the blueprint of the paper and all the things have given. Then after there is a page, cancelled topics. So you just open that first. So over there, cancelled topic is given in the chapter and chapter name is given. So in the first chapter, what is cancelled? In the first chapter, example number 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 and 12. These examples are cancelled. So from that example, nothing will come, and then after we come to the another one, what has been not come. So over here there is another topic, the irrational number on the number line, that is not come. See here 1.4, topic number 1.4, which has cancelled. That means example number 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 and 12. These examples have all that method are cancelled. So in that, from exercise 1.2, question 2 and 3 is cancelled. If you want to do them, you can pick over here with the pencil, okay students? So example number 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 and 12, that is written, a page is given to you, okay students, in that. And then comes the what? From exercise 1.2, question number 2 and question number 3, these are cancelled, okay students. Third one, that is exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3, in that question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these are cancelled. Then after 1.4, topic number 1.4, I have written that is representing real numbers on the number line, okay students. And then comes exercise 1.4. So 1.4 is full cancelled, means I forgot to write full. Exercise 1.4 full, question number 1 and question number 2 both are cancelled. And then after moving towards next, that is topic number 1.5, that is operation on real numbers, that is also cancelled, okay students. And exercise 1.5, that is also cancelled, okay students, that is also cancelled. And here from the chapter number this all the things are cancelled. You can make a mark that these things we don't have to do in this year, okay students. But I have just tell that all the things before this come, guideline, government guideline come, before that we have just started. So you have just learned, then it's okay, but you don't have to do now in this year, okay students. Moving forward and going towards lesson number 2, that is polynomials. So from that, polynomials, what is cutted? See in the page, example number 6, 7 and 8. Where is example number 6? It is on the page number, example number 6, it is on the page number 36, sorry, 36. It is on the page number 36. It is cutted. Okay, students. And then after 7 and 8 is also cancelled. So example number 6 cut, example number 7 cut, example number 8 cut. Okay, students. So these things are cutted. And then after the other thing, that is other thing are from exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. See here. Exercise 2.2. From that, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. From question number 3, only 5, 6, 7, 8 that are only cutted. From question number 3, only 5, 6, 7 and 8. Only these 4 are cutted from it. Next, that is question number 4, that is also cutted. Then comes this remainder theorem. Okay, that is also cutted. And the from exercise 2.4, exercise 2.4, wait students, no, this reminder, it is not cutted, I think. Wait. The 6, 7 and 8, example number 6, 7 and 8 is only cutted. Okay students, not anything else. And coming to the exercise 2.4, so from that 2.4, only question number 5. Only question number 5 is cutted. Okay students, only question number 5 is cutted. Next, that is from exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. So here identity number 8 is cutted students. Identity number 8 is cutted. Okay students. So from 2.5 you have to don't do question number 8 to 16. Question number 8 to 16 you don't have to do. And then comes chapter number 3, coordination geometry. From that nothing is cutted. Okay students. Then after, from question lesson number 3, that nothing is cutted. Then comes lesson number 4, that is a linear equation in two variable. From that, the 4.5, topic 4.5, that is 4.3, 4.4, and here it is 4.5, topic number 4.5, that is equations of the line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. On the page number 75, it is cutted. And then after, from exercise 4.3, 4.3 is full cutted, and exercise 4.4 is also cutted. And then after, example number 5, 6, example number 5, 6, 7 and 8, that are cutted. Okay students. Then moving further, to the chapter number 5. Moving further to the chapter number 5, let us see that students from that what is cutted. Due to corona, all our students are in benefits only. Okay, students. See here, chapter number 5, that is Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. From that 5.3, topic 5.3, that is on the page number. It is over here 86, on the page number 86, topic 5.3, equivalent version of Euclid's fifth postulate, that is cutted. So from the next exercise 5.1, from exercise 5.1, what is cutted? Question number 4, 5, 6, 7. Question number 4, 5, 6, 7 means on the page number 86, topic number 5.3 and question number 4, 5, 6 are 6 and 7 are cutted, and then after 5.2, that is cutted, whole cutted. Okay, students. Now moving towards chapter number chapter number 12, that is Heron's formula. Chapter number 12, that is Heron's formula. On the page number, which page number, students? Who will be first to tell me? No one, because I can't hear. Okay, students. Moving further. So from the Heron's formula, chapter number 12, which is on the page number 197. Okay, 197. So from that, topic 12.3, that is applications of Heron's formula in finding areas of quadrilaterals, that is on the page number 203. Okay, students, that is on the page number 203. So that is not there in your exam, so that is cutted. Then comes example number 4, 5 and 6. Example number 4, here it is 4, that is on the page number 203 and 204, 5 and 205, 6. Example, these are cutted. Then comes exercise 12.2. Exercise 12.2. So that is whole cutted. Why? Because topic 12.3 is cutted, then you can't solve any of this. Okay, students. Then going towards next chapter, that is chapter number 14. Chapter number 14. Let us see what is cutted in that chapter. Chapter number 14 is on the page number here it is statistic. Okay, from that exercise 14.1, exercise 14.1 is cutted whole. Then moving towards next, that is topic number 14.4. Topic number 14.4. Topic number 14.4, it is on the page number, here I will just reach another one, 14.4. So is on the page number, I can't find that. Yes, here it is on the page number 247. I am giving you 5 seconds to take out the page number 247. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over. Now, so from that, graphical representation of data, so that is cutted, that topic is cutted. Then after going towards 14.2, exercise 14.2. So here it is 14.2. Where is, oh, it's gone. Where is 14.2? I can't find. Yes, it is over here 14.1 and 14.2 both are cutted. Then after comes from 14.2 whole is not cutted. Okay students, from 14.2 only question number 6, question number 7, question number 8 and question number 9 that are only cutted. And then after this 4.1 is cutted whole. Okay, then after comes the example number 5 to 9, example number 5 to 9 that are cutted. And 4.3, where is 4.3? 4.3 is over here. Yes, 4.3 whole cutted. 4.3 you don't have to do. Okay students, so this is just the topics which we have cutted, and now we will say that the chapter number 15 is remaining sir probability. So from that nothing is cutted because it is very easy chapter. Okay students, it is very easy chapter, so nothing is cutted from the chapter number 15. So from which chapter there is nothing cutted, then I haven't written that. Okay students, I think if I made any of the mistake, I will just check it, and just if there is any mistake, then I will send a photo in the group. So these are the topics which government has cancelled from the exam. So it will not come in the exam. So I think in this paper, in the first term, all will get full marks because only easy topics are there. Okay, students, I want everyone to score full marks. Okay, so but by not copying, by your own, उसको बोलते हैं ना अपनी मेहनत से करना है, देख देख के नहीं लिखना है. If you have just copied and you got 50 after 50 or 100 after 100, then you don't have any just I can say in Hindi that वो सुकून नहीं मिलेगा. जैसा आपको 50 में से 25 आएंगे अपनी मेहनत से और 50 में से 50 आएंगे कॉपी करके, देन जो सुकून मिलता है ना 25 मार्क में, वो ज़्यादा अच्छा है, वो 50 से 50 मार्क आने में से ज़्यादा. ठीक है. Then now just we will revise one by one all the chapters, but I don't think so all the chapter we can revise. Why students? Because we don't have enough time. In this video I have just take this video only for the cancellation topic to explain you, and in the next video if I will start the revision, then I think I will try my best. I will do as much as I can revise you. Okay students, so we will start the new chapters which we have just done. Let me take that. So here the new chapters which I have teach, that is 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. So the lessons which you have learned before when it is started, then I will try to revise that first, because that which I have just teach you, that are fresh topics that are in your mind. Okay students, so we will start with the chapter number 15, then we will go to the chapter number 14, then after we will go to chapter number 12, and then after we will go to chapter number 2. So 1, 3, 4 and 5 that are easy chapters that you can revise by your own. So I will just try. Now only from this video we will starting the chapter number 15 to revise. Okay students, if I can revise orally or you have to do in the board. So some things which are needed that I will write on the board, or I will just revise the whole chapter in orally. So please pay attention over here. Okay students, and if there is a headphone or hands-free, then you can wear it so you can just concentrate on the video. Okay, moving further. So here we are starting with the chapter number 5, probability. What is probability, students? So we will start with probability. What is it? Okay, so probability. Ever you think that not yesterday, I am just shooting this video on Monday, so I am telling you yesterday. So this video will be posted on Tuesday. So okay students, so I am just talking that this is Tuesday. So on Tuesday, before 2 days, that was Sunday. Anyone have think that it will be rain and this much rain? No. No one has the probability that it will rain. But when I just wake up on the Sunday morning and I just see the weather and I can say, I have told my mom or my sister to that આજે કદાચ વરસાદ આવશે ખરી. I have told that to my mother and sister. Then what happened? Yes, it rained. So I think my probability was right. So these are the probabilities. If I say that this will happen, it will happen also and not happen also. There are some of the chances of that. So in the very first topic, we will just go through the examples only. Okay, students? If I will just explain one by one all the topics, then it will be, the video will never. So here we are just talking about a coin. So coin. If I tell that there is one coin, okay, and what in the coin there are two sides. That is, one is head and another is tail. Okay, students, there are two coins and one is head and one is tail. Okay, you have to see that which one is head and which one is tail. Sir, you have coin? Okay, thank you, sir. Here our PT sir, Kishan sir has given me a coin over here. So there are two sides of the coin, 1 and 2. So one is head and one is tail. Okay, students, so there are two coins. If I just, okay, let me put the marker down. See here, I have just coined this. Everyone is watching IPL. So in that the toss is there. Okay, students, but no one watches that. I also don't watch the toss. I will just watch the match when started. So as I just threw that coin and any of the one will come. Can you imagine which one will be there? Head or tail? I am giving you 5 seconds to just tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Which one is it? It is. I am just showing to you. You can tell that which one is this. Okay, you have told me. Okay. So the different probabilities. So there are different probabilities. If you just toss a coin, then you can have two probabilities. That is, one is head and one is tail. Okay, students, one is head and one is tail. So if I toss a one coin, then what is the probability of getting head and what is the probability of getting tail? So if I suppose this P of A means it is head. Okay, P of A, it is the probability of getting head. So there are total how many sides of the coin? 1 and 2 sides of the coin are there. Means in the total you have to write 2. And from that, how many are head? So 1 is head. So we have to write 1 over here. So the probability of getting head, that is 1 by 2. Okay, students. Now moving further, probability of getting tail. That is, if I take P of B, then what is the total number given over here? Head and tail, there are 2 for one coin. Okay. Now moving further, and how many are tail? 1. So the probability of getting tail is 1 by 2. Okay, students. Now moving further, so if I take 2 coins, I am just not explaining the examples and the exercise and some of the topics. I am just explaining how to solve it. Okay, students. So if I take 2 coins, okay, if I take 2 coins, then you we have to just toss it simultaneously, then what will be there? We can get one head, another head, and next we get is one head, another tail, and another we get that is one here tail and here head, and the last one that is tail, tail. So these are the probabilities of two coins, that if I just toss a coin then both the coins have head, and if I toss another time then its probability is head and tail, and if I just throw third time both at once then it can be one head and one tail and both tail. So these are the probability. Here they can say that the probability of getting head and tail on the coin, probability of getting head and tail both, if I say P of A, then here you can see head and tail, this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, but before that what we have to write? How many probabilities have there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So down you have to write 4. And how many have head and tail both? So this one and this one. So I will write 2 over here. So I can write 1 by 2. 2 to the 4. And then if anyone says you that both had, so both head is over here, but the total are 4. And then how many are there of 2 head? That is 1. Okay, then going both tail, so there is also 1, so 1 by 4. Now if I take, this is P of B and this is P of C. So we have studied further that P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equal to 1. P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equal to 1. The total of all the probabilities, that is 1. So let us see that if the answer comes 1 or not. So P of A, that is 1 by 2. Then going P of B, this is P of B, that is 1 by 4. Then going towards P of C, that is 1 by 4. Is equal to, the answer must be 1. LHS is equal to RHS, then answer will be 1. So if I take the LCM over here, then what I will do is, here if I have to take 4 both times, then I can multiply with 2, here with 2. I can? Yes, I can. So over here, 2 ones are 2 by 2 twos are 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So what we will get, that is, here the LCM is 4, all have common. So I can write dash 4. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 4, that is 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. We have got P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equal to 1. Okay students, so this all the things we have to see in the probability chapter. Okay, now we will meet in the next video. Due to the some of the time duration of the video, okay, we will move further in the next video. Okay, bye students.